Go! Diretso lang yan. Saan ka pupunta? Nagsosolo ang burger. Yun ba yung 32? Tubeless na.
Hindi ko nga ma-tubeless.
Doon tayo sa kabila.
Glory be to the Father, to the Son, to the Holy Spirit, as it was in the beginning, now and
Never
ever
shall be, world without end. Let's go mga gay!
Hi. Pwede pawak sa puwet. Dala ako sa likod.
Sometimes I feel upset being crafty when I'm lost.
even the smallest thing.
Hi.
Hi. Oh, hahalik pa.
Ouch! Ang sakit! Nice one. Ganito lang ha. May ilaw?
Alin? Oo, kulay.
May insa?
Ha?
Yung insa?
Kulay pula?
Meron?
Oo. Dito na lang?
Because by your holy cross you have redeemed the world.
Jesus, the cross you have been carrying is very heavy. Come.
Water break. Water break. Left.
Ito ba yan?
Iba pa pala yan.
Eto na. Saint Ignatius Port Church.
Give us this day our daily.
Bakit kanan ang ginagamit? Kanan! Wow, parang ginger house si St. George. St. George. The ginger house.
Grabe.
Ako naman sa likod. Napapagod na ako sa likod. Honin! Pajak!
Okay.
More ahon, please. Chill lang kayo. Shadow kayo eh. Patag.
Kailangan kayo tumayo eh.
Patag na patag eh. Wow. Cute church. Grabe. We are here.
Help me respond to them even when I'm
9th station, Jesus falls a third time. Jesus.
Charge. Yan. So, 5 na lang.
5 more to go.
9 charge down. 5 more to go.
12:30 in the morning.
Anong church to? Ah, Our Lady of Lourdes. Ganda. Birdie. Ah! Wala akong food.
And disrespect. I sometimes try to act grown up by using
Recharge muna. Water. Ah, asa na sila? Saan sila lumusot? Ang bilis naman nila. Grabe. Hi.
Yan na yung Newton, di ba?
Newton,
Hindi,
no.
Novena Station. I say or do hurtful things to my brothers and sisters. I can wonder why they think about themselves if they matibay talaga to! Matibay to! Hoy ko! Hoy, lakas nyo! Hoy!
Kalima! Utay na!
Ang lalakas! Ang lalakas na mga ito, nabubuhay yung dugo!
Grabe versus grabe, no?
O Mary, Mother, most sorrowful, the sword of grief pierced thy soul when thou didst see Jesus lying.
Okay, umakay tayo dyan.
Yan, oo.
Bigat na bike.
Hi, bebe ko.
Sayang naman, ang ganda nito.